In this Toyota Camry, skipping the full geometric closure showed a 20 millimeter gap, highlighting the fact that we were inaccurate before we even started and showing how important the right side line is to a bounding box and accuracy.
When you don't rely on the full box, let's see how far off you are when closing up from left to right. Here we have approximately 1077 millimeters from the front of the vehicle. On this side, that is hitting at 1100 instead of 1077, or not even 1100. It's hitting at about 97. It is off by 20 millimeters, the front measurement. Now let's look at the 3000 millimeters. Here we used our square. We got to be better, right? We should be near perfect. But we're not. We're actually off by even more. Here, we are lined up at 3018 millimeters, which means there's an 18 millimeter difference in how the target is going to face the vehicle. That could be enough to fail, or that can pass and be grossly inaccurate.